After watching today's video, there'll be no need to order sushi again. We're going to be making sushi at home, and it was so simple to do. We're going to be making a shrimp tempura roll, an avocado roll, a Jamaican roll, ackee and saltfish that will please my entire Jamaican family. So let's make it together. We're going to start off by boiling our rice. Today I'm going to be using a sticky rice from President Choice. I'm going to use about 1.5 cups of rice. So for 1.5 cups of rice, you need 2 cups of water. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and wash our rice off camera. I'm going to wash my rice about 3 times until the water runs clear. And then once the water runs clear, I'm going to go ahead and add my rice to my pot. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to allow that to boil on a medium heat. Once the rice is done being boiled, we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and about 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. We're going to mix that all in and then just cover rice and set that to the side. Next, we're going to go ahead and prepare our shrimp. To prepare our shrimp, I'm going to start off by cleaning it. So I'm going to remove the shell, remove that poop vein, and I'm going to give it a quick wash with some vinegar, and then we're ready to season. To season our shrimp, we're going to keep it really simple. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. We're going to give that a quick mix, and then we're going to set that to the side and start working on our batter. For our wet batter, we're going to use 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 whole egg, about 1/2 cup of cold water, and 1 teaspoon of Old Bay. We're going to give it a quick mix, and then we're going to set that to the side. In another container, we're going to pour about 2 cups of panko Japanese breadcrumbs, and now we're ready to fry our shrimp. Unfortunately, I'm missing a piece of the video, but basically you're going to take your shrimp, dip it in the wet batter, and then dip it in the panko crumbs, and that's going to give it a nice coating. Now we're ready to fry our shrimp. You want to make sure that your oil is heated before adding your shrimp in. To test your oil, you can just drop a bit of the panko crumbs in and see how it reacts. But we're going to fry our shrimp on both sides for about 2.5 minutes each side. In total, you want to fry it for 5 minutes. Because my shrimp are curly, I'm going to go ahead and cut them in half. But if your shrimp are straight, you don't need to do this step. I'm also going to take the time to just prep my avocado. Now to the fun part, we're going to start assembling our sushi. I'm going to start by making my Jamaican roll. So to this gadget, I'll be linking the sushi kit in the next video. Honestly, this sushi kit made everything so easy to make. So I'm going to put a bed of rice on each side. Then I'm going to use a pole to make an indentation. And in that indentation, I'm going to go ahead and add my ackee and saltfish. Then I'm going to close that up. There's latches on both sides. I'm going to latch that up, and then we're going to get ready to place that on our seaweed bed. But honestly, guys, if you ever have any plans to make sushi, go ahead and use the link in the next video that I'll be posting, because this kit comes with every single thing that you need. We're then going to use that gadget to push the roll that we created in that gadget out onto the seaweed, and then we're going to use that bamboo to just fold it until the seaweed roll is formed. Next, we're going to go on to making our shrimp tempura roll. For the shrimp tempura roll, you want to ensure that you put the clear saran wrap between the bamboo and the seaweed. You want to have the shiny side of the seaweed face down, and then we're going to spread our sticky rice on top. Then we're going to flip our seaweed over and have the rice face down on the saran wrap, and then we're going to line that with our avocado and our shrimp tempura, and then we're going to do the same process of using the bamboo to roll until the sushi is sealed. We're going to repeat the same process for making our avocado roll. Going to go ahead and slice up our sushi. The box kit that I mentioned earlier, it makes it so easy because it came with this gadget. All you have to do is place your sushi roll in it. It tells you exactly where you need to cut, and it also comes with a knife that's sharp enough to cut straight through your roll. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice up my roll. I'm going to make some spicy mayo because I don't have any. So we're going to make the spicy mayo from scratch, and then I'm going to plate this, and then we're going to come back and see the final product. This is the final product. I really hope it was easy enough to follow along. I really do hope that you guys will actually try this recipe because it was absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10 would recommend. But until next time, bye.